In the heart of Formentera, where the sea and nature offer the perfect setting for relaxation, RIU Hotels and Resorts is launching a new chapter. The iconic Hotel Riu La Mola has been transformed into the Riu Palace La Mola, offering an enhanced guest experience. This project marks a special milestone. For the first time, the family's fourth-generation members, Luis and Roberto Riu Rodríguez, have overseen every aspect of the project, from the decoration to the services, bears their vision and signature. Under their leadership, the hotel has been completely renovated. It now offers the perfect balance between style, comfort, and sustainability. This is the most ambitious transformation of the hotel since Riu acquired it in 1993. A new generation is taking over today, committed to continuing to offer an unforgettable experience that stays true to both the Riu style and the spirit of Formentera.